I bought and tested 4 of Amazon's most popular vacuum storage bags. I'm gonna go through which ones I like, the pros, the cons. You can't really go wrong with either one of these. While they are very similar, there are some big differences. I made a little chart over here of the differences, so I don't forget anything for you. Here, we'll kind of go over a rundown. I have shorts that we're gonna compress, and we're gonna see which one after which compression looks the best. We'll go through everything. We got the nice tree ones right over here. These are the WIFIA, W-F-I-I-A. This is the Suco, S-U-O-C-O, and this is going to be the Bag Smart. Now, if you want different sizes, different quantities, all that stuff, no problem. You can get whatever you want. We just got the variety packs, and let's just go from here. We'll start with the nice tree one right over here. This one, for the nice tree, we're going to get small, medium, large bags. We're going to get, for that one, it's 6 of each. So you're going to get this nice little pump right over here. So small, compact, comes with a travel bag, a charger. And then in terms of the sizes, you're going to get 24 inches, 28 inches, and 20. Really nice material on these. Has a nice seal. These are meant to be reusable. We just keep the original box and store them there. So the WIFA ones right over here. These sizes are a little different. These also come with the vacuum sealer, a charger, a bag, clips. That one comes with clips as well. The dimensions on these are a little different. Don't get too caught up in the dimensions because you get whatever dimensions you want. So you basically have, this is going to be your medium bag right over here. This is good. Yeah. This is going to be your largest bag right over here. So this one's going to be 19.7 by 23.6. And this one right over here is going to be our small, coming in at 15.7 by 19.7. Nice materials on these as well. We'll go over kind of like the pros, the cons of all of them. We're just going to do 2 pairs of shorts. So we're going to just use the smaller bags for each of these. The next one up right over here is going to be the Suco right over here. For this one, you're going to get 8 20-inch bags, 4 24-inch bags, and 4 28-inch bags. These are a little darker than the other ones right over here, but kind of similar. Nice material, really high quality. Really like those. We're going to go with this one on this one. So we're going to put that one there, and we're going to shrink everything in a second. These do come with a charger right over here. Comes with the clips, a bag, and it also comes with the charging cable as well. Last but not least is going to be the Bag Smart. So these are going to be very similar dimensions. These are color coded. Nice material here. You got a 24-inch, a 20, and a 28-inch on there. This also comes with a pump and clips right over here. This does not come with a charger or a bag. So just note that. This one also does include a shoe bag, a toiletry bag, and a laundry bag. We haven't really used that, but that's what it comes with. Let's get these shorts ready to go now. All right, so we're going to use the 20-inch bags right over here. All right, so we got 2 pairs of shorts right over here for each. We're just going to put them in each bag. These bags work very similarly. We're just going to open them up just like this. I like to just kind of go like this a little bit. I know we're trying to take air out, but it just makes it easier to load. Now, with this one right over here, we're just going to put that in, and then we're just going to kind of close this like this, and then we're going to run a clip over it to make sure it is sealed. You don't have to worry about dust or water or anything like that getting in here. These are great for pillows, blankets, all that kind of stuff. You're kind of good to go, so you don't have to worry about that. For this one right over here, just going to open this. These are exactly kind of like Ziploc bags. They're just really easy to do. These right over here. So we're just going to pack these just like that. Seal this really quickly. With all of these, you can't really go wrong. It just really depends on what you're looking to do, what you want. I would say all of them are pretty portable. They have a lot of, I kind of like some of them, you'll see in a second, are a little bit more clear and easy to see into than the other ones. But that's just kind of preference. Like some people don't want people to know what's kind of in these bags or whatever. But in a lot of cases, I have been able to like get 3 to 4 times the amount into a suitcase while using these bags right over here. And before you close them, you always kind of want to squeeze out that last bit of air. If you don't, no big deal. When you unscrew these, you could do it then. It's just easier, I think, to do it when you first do it. I didn't do it for this one. Or an unscrew. You see, you could do that. And then sometimes the bag will open, but you don't have to worry about that because we're going to reseal it. And then we got the last one over here. And then we're going to compress all these guys down. And you can kind of see what they all look like. And another thing to note too is with these, you don't have to worry about water or anything because they are like waterproof. Water is not going to get in here. And air doesn't leak out of these at all. Even when these are off, you don't have to worry about that. You just put the cap on to keep it going good. All right, so we're just gonna take one of these pieces right over here. You could use this one. So what you do is once you have everything in here, you literally just put that on. You hear everything is clicking just like that. So you could I'm just gonna use the same clip for all the bags. So we get going here, and then we'll go through everything. All right. These are a game changer though, especially if we have like lots of blankets, decorative pillows for all the different seasons. So being able to shrink all those down and not have it take up a ton of closet space has been super helpful and convenient. So we're just gonna get all these unscrewed, and then we're going to, so for all of these, you're just gonna put it right on top like that, hit the button just like that. All of these have chargers that come with, we'll show you how much batteries in each one. It does help too if you like push down, it goes quicker when you're doing that. You see they work pretty quickly together. All right, so that's pretty much what we got going on here. All right, so it looks like the Nice Tree did a pretty good job over here. Same with the Wi-Fi one. This one definitely, I would say, shrank it the most. It looks like right over here. The Soku one did a really good job as well. The Bag Smart did decent. So I guess you can kind of see that right over here. I would say the big winners would probably be the Nice Tree, this one, and this one in terms of shrinking down. This did shrink down, but obviously you could tell with all of these right over here, they did shrink down a little more. Now, in terms of some of the differences, I would say would be a good fit for you. I would say these Bag Smart ones are going to be better if you're kind of doing blankets or pillows, where it will still compress, but like you're not looking to really suck everything out of it. I would say if you're for travel, these would be your better fit because you're trying to get a lot in a suitcase. So you want it to be compressed down as much as possible. So I would say that those are going to be the ones for you. In terms of chargers, the Nice Tree is going to have the smallest charger. So a little smaller than this one right over here. About the same size as this one right over here. So that's important to you. These three right over here do come with travel bags as well as cables to charge it. This one right over here does not. So if you don't have a cable, you might want to get one of these other ones. Like I said, can't really go wrong with any of these. It just really depends on what you want. I hope you found this video helpful and you get the right travel bags for you. These things are absolute game changer, especially around the house. Give this a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I hope you find the right travel vacuum bag for you.